want to ask something from you. So, today our topic is legalization of certain substances will reduce drug abuse, right? So, what if I tell you that drug abuse can be legalized? Then you will think it can be or not. Do you know what is drug abuse? Let's know with me. So, basically, a drug is a substance containing a chemical with the ability to change the normal biological processes and functions. It is used in medicine to correct and cure diseases, and socially as a psychological stimulant to enhance the pleasure. The drug addiction is a tendency of utilizing one or more psychologically active substances that are liable to enhance the mental or physical dependency. This phenomena is characterized by repeated and uncontrolled use of addictive drugs. The drug abuse or addiction is one of the most common chronic and compulsive disorder that often requires formal treatments. It is mostly associated with spoiled teenagers or rich kids with a lot of money. But the positive side, the term drug abuse is not the kind of word that has an outstanding reputation of its own. In reality, the drug has many kinds of uses. It is known to serve as medicine or medications of several chronic diseases. There are many kinds of drugs that are used in the treatment of mental illness, depression, etc. It can be proved to be equally harmful if it is consumed directly without the medical advice of a professional. So my friends,